Good day everyone, my name is Jeremy Manolet and today we tackle about the Region 6. Dinagyang Festivals. The Dinagyang Festivals is a religious and cultural festival in Iloilo City, Philippines, held annually on the 4th Sunday of January in honor of Santo Niño. Ati-Atihan Festivals. The Ati-Atihan Festival is a feast held annually in January in honor of Santo Niño, Infant Jesus, concluding on the 3rd Sunday in the island and town of Calibo, Aklan in the Philippines. Binirayan Festivals. The Binirayan Festivals commemorates the legend of the arrival of the 10 Bornean datos on the island of Aninipay, now known as Panay. Manggahan Festivals is a unique event celebrated every April 16 to 20 for the sustained promotion of the mango industry. Sinadya sa Halaran Festival. The Sinadya sa Halaran Festival is a celebration of Thanksgiving and sharing that takes place in Roa City, Philippines. The festivals is to showcase the Kabisnon to spirit through a variety of religious, cultural, and civic activities.
These are the food delicacy in Western Visayas. The first is Inasal Manok. It's a unique Filipino grilled chicken dish which originated in Bacolod and became the signature dish of entire Visayas region. It employs various chicken cuts marinated in a mixture of vinegar and numerous spices such as lemongrass, garlic, and ginger. During grilling, the meat is brushed with the annatto-infused oil, which provides the chicken with an appetizing golden color and unique peppery flavor. The dish is usually served alongside annatto-flavored garlic rice and spicy vinegar. In 2022, the city of Bacolod declared the dish an important cultural property. And the second one is the Hearty Batchoy. It's a popular Filipino soup consisting of pork offal, chicken or beef stock, and French round egg noodles, generously seasoned with shrimp paste and soy sauce. The soup is usually topped with pork cracklings, fried garlic, and raw egg. Although there are numerous stories about the origin of the dish, there is no doubt that it was created in Iloilo, more specifically in the district of La Paz, from where it spread to other parts of the country to become one of the most famous Filipino soup dishes. And the third one is Bayi-Bayi. It's a traditional Filipino dessert originated from the region of Iloilo. It's made with a combination of grated young coconut and either corn patties or young rice that pounded into flakes. In order to prepare Bayi-Bayi, the meat is toasted until golden brown, then ground or pounded into flakes and combined with coconut water, sugar, and grated young coconut. The mixture is wrapped in banana leaves and shaped into logs. Before serving, the dessert is chilled so that it hardens and becomes easier to eat.
Lapaz Batchoy, Iloilo. Lapaz Batchoy is a savory noodle soup originating from Lapaz, Iloilo, made with meaty noodles, pork liver, and pork cracklings. It is topped with garlic and scallions, the rich broth, Piaya, Negros Occidental. Piaya is a sweet flatbread filled with muscovado, sugar, and sometimes sesame seeds. This Negros delicacy is made by fattening dough, adding the sugar filling, and grilling it until golden brown. It has a slightly Iloilo. Pasig Molo is a sampling soup from Molo, Iloilo City, inspired by Chinese wonton soup. It features cans of grilled dumplings, shredded chicken, and a savory broth served hot and often garnished with toasted garlic.
Boracay is a destination in Region 6, or the Western Visayas regions of the Philippines. It's located on the Panay Islands, about 150 kilometers northwest of Iloilo City. the regional capital, Boracay is a titular island destination known for its white sand beaches, clear waters, and sunset. Some of the island's top attractions include Bocayshell Beach, Ariel Point, Mount Pluto, Crystal Cove, Bilabo Beach, Diniwid Beach, Willis Rocks. Roja City. Roja City is in Region 6, also known as Western Visayas in Philippines. The capital of Capiz is Roja City, which is the most populated city in the province. Capiz is known as the seafood's capital of the Philippines and is famous for its coral stone Santa Monica Church. Iloilo City. Iloilo is a destination in Region 6, also known as Western Visayas in the Philippines. The capital of Iloilo Province and the regional center of Western Visayas. It is known for its foods including lapas batchoy, kansi, and kajus, and it's the first UNESCO Creativity City of Gastronomy in the Philippines. It also known for its heritage houses, Catholic churches, museums, and river esplanade. Bacolod City. Bacolod is a city in the Negros Island regions of the Philippines, which is a part of Region 6, also known as Western Visayas. Bacolod is the capital of province of Negros Occidental and is the most populated city in the Negros Island regions. It is a center of trade, communications, and service in the province.
The history of the region. The Ilocos region, first inhabited by the Negritos, was later inhabited by Austronesian immigrants. Spanish arrived in the 16th century and established Christian mission. The region was under American colonial rule in 1901 and Japanese occupation in 1941. In 1945, American and Philippine Commonwealth troops defended the region from Japanese forces. The region has a population of 275,011 in 2020, up from 5.03 million in 2015 and 0.75 million in 2010.
It also has two highly urbanized cities, that is Bacolod and Iloilo City, with the latter being the original center. The region also consists of 4 component cities, 117 municipalities, and 4,051 barangays, and Western Visayas is dialect that dominate are Hiligaynon, Kiniray, Aklanon, and Kapisnon. In the 2020 census, the population was determined to be 7,954,793. Thus, this makes Western Visayas inhabitants to represent 38.65% of the overall population of the Visayas Island Group, or 7.30% of the entire population of the Philippines. Computing the population density given these figures was shown around 383 inhabitants per 1 square kilometer, or about